Hello guys! Hello! Good morning for all over the world, sa lahat ng aking followers sa
Say hi.
Instagram, sa Facebook, and sa YouTube. So, hello, good morning. So, today's video, i-share ko lang sa inyo yung ginagawa ko every night. So, I started to work around 6 p.m. to 4 a.m.
Welcome
Dito sa
to my
restaurant
vlog.
na to, yung mga kasama ko. So,
You know what? I'm
ito
vlogger
yung shift
now.
na ayoko talaga, but I need to follow. So kada pa, because at the end of the month sahod tayo. So
Ito yung
yun lang
place
importante
na
doon, sahod. So
location ng restaurant. So para na siyang
the weather here is
haunted
very cold.
place.
I don't
Kasi
know
walang
what's the
tao.
temperature.
Although may mga bukas pang
everyone is wearing a
restaurant
jacket,
and
wearing
other store.
hoods,
At madaming
wearing
rides
a
din dito.
scarves.
Yeah.
So
Kaya no need to worry
yan sila.
about.
Naghihintay kami ng carrier namin. So, darating nila for 4 a.m. So, it's already 3:50 in the morning.
Welcome to my vlog.
While waiting, I just making
So, uwi na kami.
So, para
So, see you
ma-share
later.
sa inyo yung mga ginagawa namin dito sa Dubai. So, ito yung you can see here, so yan, ito yung lugar, ito yung place ng restaurant namin. So yan, okay. So lahat ng, alam mo guys, dito sa it's yung mga store dito is lahat is mga open na sila. So na guys, nandito na ako sa aking room. So yun lang for today's video. So see you.